Hello everyone, this is WordPress Holder, the first YouTube channel where you can ask your WordPress questions and get your support video for free. Do not hesitate to contact me with comments under this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I want to show you how we can change the layout for the DIVI blog template. By default, blog in DIVI looks like this, and it doesn't look good. Yeah. So how do we change it? We should log in into our WordPress dashboard, click Divi, and click Theme Builder. Okay, we will see a screen like this. After, we should click Add New Template, just like this, and click Blog. This way, we will create the template page for the blog. Okay, click Blog and click Create Template. After, we need to add custom body for our template. So body means this one, you know, like this is header, this is body, and this is footer. Okay, so we need to create custom body. Add custom body and build custom body. If you want, you can add from library. Now let's wait when it's loading. By the way, you can use additional plugins for the blog. Divi by default has some few options to customize default blog view. So build from scratch, and right now we are building the blog template. So do what you want, but I'll show you how I do it. Add blog element. Okay. And you see, we have posts. Now we can customize these posts, like choose categories, date formats, post excerpt, you know, elements. Let's remove author, let's remove categories, and yeah, I don't need it. Posts count like 1000. I want to be it all on one page. Now we can click design, click layout, and change the layout to the grid. Okay, it's very easy and very simple. So it looks really better than full width. Now we can change overlay, image settings, and some additional items. Like, let's change title text and make it black. Yeah, looks good. Oops, I clicked wrong button. Doesn't matter. It's loading, so let's wait. We can add read more button here, by the way, read more button. And here is read more button, and we can customize this read more button. I will remove it as I don't need it. We can remove this border. Let's check how we can do it. Border and 0. Yes. So we remove this border, and let's click OK and save. So right now we have grid template. Let's see how it works on the real website. Refresh the blog page. You see, it doesn't work. So, very important note. You should close this builder, save and exit, wait, and click Save Changes here. Okay, this is very important. Let's refresh the page. You see, it works. Like, we can click blog and it works like what I can say. The same way you can create templates for other pages, like single post, specific posts, you know, category, etc. If you want, you can add some content here or below it. You can do all you want with the theme builder. So, hope this video helps you. If so, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a really good day. Bye.